Hello everyone and welcome. In this demo I'll be showcasing ZillaScan. It's an automated pen testing toolkit I developed. ZillaScan is designed to simplify the recon and vulnerability assessment process, combining several popular pen testing tools into a single workflow. Just a quick disclaimer, always run ZillaScan on websites or servers that you have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized scanning is illegal. And as you saw at the beginning, when you launch ZillaScan, you'll see a banner that has all the tools, and you can pick and choose which tools you want to run, or you can run them all. It's pretty straightforward. It's very it hardly needs any input from you after you hit enter after running the scan. So one of the last things I added though was GPT integration. So at the very end of the scan, it will ask you if you want AI like recommendations on your next step on your pen test here. And while it's scanning, it can take anywhere from, depending on the web page size, this one in particular was only 5 minutes, but on more complex web pages I've seen it take upwards towards an hour. But that is because of the Nmap scan and the SQL map scan. It basically covers most of your needs, if not all of them. I've actually been able to enumerate databases with the SQL map configurations that I have in this scan. So when I started building this tool, I wanted to build it for something that I would actually use. So this project means a lot to me, and I use it almost daily now, just trying to make it better, just testing it, see if it still works, see what I can improve on. And while it's scanning, as you can see on the left hand side of the screen, it is putting files into a folder created on the desktop, and each scan will have its own file, and it will be timestamped so it doesn't overwrite itself. And it takes some time for the scan to go through, and it's not frozen. Sometimes you'll think it's frozen, but it's not. I need to try to find a way to make like a steady progress bar, so you can see like the percentage of the scan has ran or how much is left, but I haven't seemed to get that right, so I keep taking that out. But anyway, back on the left hand side, you will see all these files that it drops in here, and it records all of the data from each scan. At the very end, you'll have a summary file that tells you everything that's done and where to find the files, and then you'll find an AI recommendation file as well, and you can read through that, and it'll suggest what to do next with the information that you have found. So I will be releasing this project to the public here shortly. I don't know if it's going to be this weekend or a month from now, but it'll definitely be released. I also have someone that's testing it with me, so I want to make sure it's the best possible script I can provide. So thank you for watching, and if you have any more suggestions on what this script should do, please drop it down in the comments. I'm excited to hear your thoughts about this. Thanks.